It's good to be hard on yourself, but not too hard. You're in came to Vrindavan, attending a seminar, how to chant better holy name, what are the lilas of Krishna. Oh, my heart is so hard, and my tongue is so dry. I have no attraction of Krishna's lila, and I have no attraction of Krishna's name. But let me hear some more. So the idea that you have attraction to hear about chanting Krishna's name, and the idea that you have attraction to hearing about his lila, means you have ruchi for nam and lila. So it's all about feeling and mood and attitude. And because Krishna, he's not known in Vrindavan. We worship Krishna in Vrindavan. Everything about God is not found here. Only lila is here. Every other form of God has responsibility, has something to do. Krishna in Gita says, even I have to act according to the Maryada. If I was not to act properly, then the whole world would fall in ruination. So that's in the 3rd chapter of Gita. So Krishna is speaking this, that's Kurukshetra Krishna. That's Chaturbhuj Narayan Krishna. Sometimes in Dwarka, Krishna shows 2 arms and sometimes 4 arms. But in Vrindavan, it's only 2 arms. And only playing. This is Lila. Lila Purushottam, the supreme play lord. He plays. You look at any other lord, they all have responsibilities. They have families, they have wives, they have children, they have families, even other forms of Krishna. And they have to kill, they have to establish dharma, they come to do something, or they kill demons or whatever, protect religion, protect devotees. Krishna doesn't do any of that. He just enjoys. He doesn't own anything. He doesn't pay any bills. He doesn't have any responsibilities. He doesn't have any problems at all. When he takes the cows out, they're not his, they're Nanda Baba's. And if somebody steals the cows, and he said, "Oh, Daddy, they still okay, Lala, that's not too nice, So he's not that worried.